HBAR. This is where we left the last video. I left the screen exactly like it was. Um, I don't know when we did the last video, 3-4 days ago, I think, something like that. All right, we had this 5 waves up come in. We had an ABC correction, and you start your next leg up. All right, you can see if this is wave 1 and wave 2 for HBAR, this is going to be crazy. This would be, let's take a look at this pullback, okay? Go from our swing low to our swing high. Yeah, perfect. 786. Man, oh man, that's ideal. That's when you see a 786, man, you go long. That's a perfect 786 pullback. If it breaks through there, there's something else wrong with the coin or token. It's going down a lot further if it breaks through 786. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so we have a confirmed bottom here, and we're starting up this next wave. Now if we look back on HBAR, if we go out on a weekly, let's take a look here. And it's kind of a minuscule move here when you look at the overall picture on this thing. It went up to 57 cents. What is a target for roughly for HBAR here for this bull run? $2.30, $2.30. Wow, not too shabby. Where are we at now? We are at, let's take a look here, 1142. All right, we take our calculator. Let's see here. Let's see what that is. 232, 2.32. I always figure that divided by 0.1143. That is a 20x from here. All right, nothing's guaranteed, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I hate saying that, but I got to. You can, I pretty much bet on these things. All right, if the Fibonacci gives me a target, I go with it. All right, that's the way it normally plays out. It's crazy how the thing works. Absolutely crazy. It's almost like having a cheat sheet when you're doing this charting, but it works so well. It's unbelievable. $2 to $2 to 250. I'd be looking for Hedera at the end of this bull run. That's going to take time. Back here, when was this? August, September. It topped in September of 2021. All right. And then it had the downfall here, September of 2021. Let's take a look here at something. These waves, these wicks got ridiculous up here. Look at these things. These wicks were unbelievable. All right, October, September, October, November. That's when I really remember crypto. Then Bitcoin topped out. You had this wick up here. But kind of your true top really, was probably around in here somewhere. Yeah, this wick, you get crazy price action when stuff's going up. You get massive buying coming in, and wicks heading up. But Hedera, man, oh man, this thing is looks primed and ready to go. All right, this next move, if we zoom in here, look at all this buying down here. Look at that candle. Wow, that is the most it's ever had. Yeah, that's incredible. Good for it. That's fantastic to see. The most buying Hedera has ever had right there. What is that, 3 weeks ago? Yeah, we're roughly 2 weeks. This is Monday, so a couple weeks ago, right in this candle right here. And you can see what it did to price. See that big wick? That's why we have this big massive, if you're in a daily now, looks huge. All right, if we come in here and zoom in on this thing, that was a massive wick. I mean, that shot it up from basically 9 to 18 cents. It doubled it 100%, pretty much random. So if this is a valid wave 1, 2 here, okay, we have a perfect pullback, 786 pullback. This move could end up being pretty big. Okay, if this is a third wave, this market runs in waves, just like back here. All right. You can see here you had your 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up right there. Your third wave is normally your longest, strongest wave. It cannot be the shortest wave, all right, in Elliott theory. So this third wave could end up being a pretty good push. Now, do the RSIs line up here? On the daily, we have the daily turning back up. It's at a 28 and a 30. We have the weekly bullish, 36 and a 24. You can see it down here heading straight up. Right there, your blue, this blue line right here heading straight up. It's in the oversold area. The bottom, if you're not familiar with an RSI, basically when it's at the top, price goes down. When it's at the bottom, price goes up. You know, and it's not technically that easy, but it does kind of work like that. All right, if you look here, it was at the bottom, price went up. It got to the top, price went down. It got to the bottom, price went up. Got to the top, price went down. You know, if you just trade it on a weekly chart, you do all right. This thing's pretty consistent. Ran to the top, went back down. All right, so you can see here, definitely pretty consistent with Hedera. Now, on the smaller time frames, you can really get whiplashed on that. You know, if you're trading, longing and shorting, it can take you out pretty quick. All right, but now if we come in here, this is on a weekly chart. Let's look at, we got that weekly bullish. We'll come right back to this weekly. We have the 5 day. The 5 days at a 35.4 and a 35.3. That's probably going to tick right back up. And you got your 3 day turning bullish, 46 and a 44. All right, getting ready for this move up. Now, if we go back here on a weekly, if we break through a 618 and 702, we're going to disregard this massive wick here. If we break through a 618, 702, that's your areas. We're right at a 618 right now. Okay, if we break this, call it 13 cents, then we'd be looking for 18.6 as the next target, and then after that up to 26 cents. All right, so watch for a break here, and we're more than likely going to get it. And not financial advice, guys. So don't go selling your house and your cars and your kids and everything else just to. Because I said Hedera is going to 18 cents, but definitely looks like it. We're at a 618 breaking, poked up through that 702 right here. A break of that 702 and a closing candle, especially on a daily. This is on a weekly chart, right? If we're going on a daily, let's see where we're at here. Yeah, we're right in that range. This blue line is the 618 Fibonacci, and we're about ready to blow through that level. So I would definitely be watching. And I went off this high over here on a daily, not this high here. Okay, we're just going to use this one here. We're going to disregard this big wick in here. You had massive buying and selling right there. All right, you can see the big buy candle, and you can also see a big red daily red candle here. Wow. So I'm just going to disregard that. We're at a 618 now. If this thing breaks up above 14, look for 18 to 19 cents as the next target. If this was valid, yeah, I don't believe it is, but just let's say if it was, okay, we'd pull this down on here, and we would be looking for a break of roughly 15 to 16 cents. Then the target would be up to 23 to 24 cents. All right, is that possible? Absolutely, it's possible. Okay, but I think we're more than likely down here at this area here. All right, right now, working through here. So we'll work with that first. If we smash through 18, 19 cents, if we smash through that area, you know what I mean, if this runs up and just blasts right through it, then we'll move over here and look for these price targets here up to 23 to 24 cents. All right, guys, thank you so very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Come over and join the members group. It's only $15. Get you in there. Start learning how to chart these charts. Going to make a lot of money this year. We're in a bull run, so prop up. Get ready. Thanks.